welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. We're back at it again, guys. I have a unit that I bought that I got from Ebonyline. Ebonyline. This is a Freetress Equal Natural Me, a texturized hair that blends effortless, a HD lace front wig. And that's what she looks like. I opened the box and her name is Araya. And I got her in the number 1. And I just did this review. The card would be up in the link up. So we'll check it out. So let's get started with the review. I thought this was so pretty. Every way 12. Look at my little hair. I was trying to go back. Time to go cut. These curls texturize. It actually mimics your hair. So, like that heart lace, but it's not. So this is what the part looks like. Adjustable straps. Your 2 combs at the top. 1 comb in the back. Adjustable straps. See if it's stretchy. This is pretty. They got a little bit pre-pluck. All right. Let's see. Oh gosh, my stocking cap came off, guys. Oh, you guys don't want to see that. Looks good. Then also want to put some on the part. So part. Make it look like scalp. Okay, so this is pretty. don't want to put too much heat on it because it would take away the texture. So let me put my stocking cap back. I don't know why I'm trying to hold on to this little bit of hair I got. I'm just gonna shave it all bald again, because there's no justice to trying to save this little bit of mess that I got on my head. All right, I got my heating tools on. And she fits really, really good. So I'm just put a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. That's a little bit of it. I'm not gonna glue it down. This is what it looks like. Oh, I gotta fix this. This is absolutely beautiful. I don't want it too big. I don't want it with some baby hairs or something. You can utilize the baby hairs if you want. I'm not. The baby hairs are here. There's the baby hairs. I'm not going to use them. I'm just going to push them back. I'm going to push them back with my little brush. Now I am going to tuck this. Thank you, Hots and Cake 90. I learned that trick from her. She's here on YouTube. The tuck room. And this is going to fold down, so nobody should be all in your grill. You got little flyaways right here. Yeah, you got little flyaways. I'm going to put some more of this. And I like this to go. Always like that, like that. Well, what do you guys think? This is my first time doing this like this, so. Let's see. Hold it like that. Oh, hey, ho, hey, ho. Okay. All right. Well, is she a style? Is she a style? Yeah, tell me, is she a style? Is she a yay? Is she a nay? Tell me. Cop it? All right. I have no shedding with her. She's cute. This be a date night. Me and hubby put on my sexy dress. I would. Oh, hubby. All right, Mr. Rogers, we got a date. But anyway, let me give you guys a 360. This is the front. This is so pretty. Well, what do you guys think? Put your comments in the comment section below. Let's talk about it. Like I said, should I cop it? Keep it? Would you buy it? Like I said, it's been out for a while, and I'm just not putting my review out. I'm gonna get this baby here at a 10. I just need to work on my baby hairs because I'm not really good in baby hair. So, she's cute. I like her. Like I said, I'm gonna give her a 10. Let's talk about it. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Till next time, guys, I thank you all for stopping by. Keep coming. Peace.